Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. And today we are going to learn about present tense. So what is a present tense? Present tense is about your daily routine and activity. It tells you about the tasks or activities you do on your regular basis. So now we will see its identification in both in English and in Urdu. So firstly we will see its identification in Urdu. What is its identification in Urdu? इस जुमले के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हो वगैरह आता हो तो वो आपका प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस होता है। मसलन अली स्कूल जाता है, इस जुमले के आखिर में आप देख सकते हैं ता है। सेकंड एग्जांपल इज बच्चे शोर मचाते हैं, इसके भी आखिर में आप देख सकते हैं ते हैं। तो जिन जुमलों के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हो वगैरह आता हो, यानी जो काम आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे करते हो तो वो आपके प्रेजेंट टाइम को शो करते हैं, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट कहलाते हैं। नाउ मूव टू इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन इंग्लिश। सो इट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन इन इंग्लिश इज दैट firstly we will put subject, then main verb the action that is going on or that you are going to perform. So plus s or es, we add s or es with singular verb plus object. So now we will look at the different structures of present indefinite, the means how we will form its simple sentence, how we will form its negative sentence, and how we will form its interrogative sentences. So what are simple sentences? Simple sentences in which you say in which you say anything is or any task you are doing. In negative sentences you say that you are not doing that thing. Or interrogative sentences are about questions. Are you doing that activity or task or not? So as examples are given in Urdu, Ali school jata hai. Its simple sentence would be Ali goes to school, means Ali school jata hai. I have told you earlier that we will put s or es with a singular subject. So here Ali goes to school, we have added es with the verb go because Ali is a singular noun over here, singular subject over here. So we have added es with the verb go, and now it will be like Ali goes to school, Ali school jata hai. Its negative sentence means Ali school nahi jata, Ali does not go to school. Does not go to school. When we have to make the negative of present indefinite tense, what we will do? We will put does not or do not after the subject. How we will put does not or do not? We will look at our verb, main verb. If the verb is with s or es, so we will put does. If the verb is first form, then we will put do and plus not, and we will go further. And then comes its interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? We will ask the question about the activity that is going on, whether that activity is fulfilled or not. So what we will do? We will put do or does in the start of the sentence, and the whole sentence will remain the same. Like the example we are following is Ali school jata hai. We said that Ali goes to school. In negative form we have said Ali doesn't go to school, and in its interrogative form would be like does Ali go to school? Kya Ali school jata hai? We will put a question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Now there are properly written structures for you to learn of negative sentences and interrogative sentences. What is the structure of a negative sentence? That subject plus do or does not, we will add do or does according to our first form of the verb. If first form is simple first form, then we will put do, and if our first form is with plus es or s, we will add does. Not plus main verb would be the action that you are talking about, and plus object. Then interrogative sentence structure would be like do or does would be at the start of the sentence, then we will then there comes subject, then main verb, and then object, and then we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So it will be interrogative sentence, means a question sentence that we are questioning about the work or action that is going on or that is being talking about. We are talking about. So now come to the next example. Our second example is बच्चे शोर मचाते हैं. its simple sentence would be like children make noise. Here we have not added s or es with our main verb because children is a plural subject or plural noun. I have told you earlier that in the simple sentence structure I have told you that we add s or es with the main verb on the basis of the subject. If the subject is singular, we will put s or es with the main verb, means with the first form of the helping verb we will put s or es. If our subject is plural, we will not put s or es. So here is the example, children make noise. We have not added s or es with make. It is a simple first form make, because our subject children is plural. So what's the negative sentence of this example would be like children do not make noise. Now you can see that I have said do not because our verb is singular first form. So that's why our verb is without s or es, so we have added do not in this example to make its negative sentence. Children do not make noise and do children make noise. For interrogative sentence we will put do at the start of the sentence, and the sentence would be like do children make noise, and then we will put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So it is all about your present indefinite tense. That is, I have told you that it tells you about your daily routine, your daily activities that you are used to do. So it's identification in both in English and in Urdu. In English you have seen that subject plus main verb, your main verb would be the first form of the verb, and we will add s or es, s or es on the basis of the subject. If your subject is singular, you will put s or es, and if your subject is plural, you will not put s or es. Your form will remain the first form and plus object. And in the Urdu you will see कि अगर जुमले के आखिर में ता है, ती है वगैरह आता हो तो वो आपके प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट को प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट को शो करते हैं. देन एग्जांपल्स आर सॉल्व्ड ओवर हियर. अली स्कूल जाता है, अली गोज टू स्कूल, अली डज नॉट गो टू स्कूल, डज अली गो टू स्कूल. नेगेटिव एंड इंटेरोगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर्स आर आल्सो गिवन. वी विल पुट डू और डज नॉट for making its negative sentence. I have told you how we use do and does. If our verb is with s or es, we will use does not for making its negative sentence. And if our verb is singular, if our verb is the simple first form of the verb, so we will not use does not, we will use do not. As in both examples I have shown you clearly. Now you have to make many more present indefinite tenses into your rough registers or rough notebooks and do practice of this tense as well. And enjoy your vacations. Good luck.